Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, guys, since I have not been on my channel, but here I am today giving you an update. First, let me begin by saying I wish you all a happy new year, even though I am late, but happy new year to you all, and my wishes for you is the best of everything for the 2022. Okay, with God help and his grace and his blessings, I hope we will live to see many more years like this to come. Today I will be giving you an update of why I have been away so long, because it's a lot of problem, guys. It's a lot of problem, but before we go into the video, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at charms_lifestyle, my business page at Golden Charm Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Deidra's Fashion District. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me a like, a comment, share me out if you can, and most of all, please put your post notification bell on so you will be notified when I post my next video. So yes, guys, let me tell you something, guys. After one problem is solved, there comes another, which I know this would maybe be a problem, but not to this effect. Yes. So after getting through with my AdSense pin, guys, another problem developed, and that one is my tax information. My tax information, I honestly must tell you that I do not have a tax number. Yes, I did put my application in for quite a while, but as we all know, things go through process and it takes procedure. So I have to wait until I get it. After verifying my address, 2 days after, I received a mail from Google saying that I need to put in my tax information or my payments will be on hold until the next available payments. Now, guys, what can I do? I can't do anything. And this, I tell you, this have me. Anyway, I have to wait because there is nothing else I can do. I have already applied from summer. Yes, because I knew this was coming, but before I spoke with someone and they said it wouldn't be a problem. All they would do is maybe draw X amount of tax from your salary as you do not provide them with a tax number. But guys, honor so it go. Honor so it go. I do not have this information to provide at this moment, so I don't know what will happen next. I will just have to wait and see what will happen next. Every day, when I say every day, I mean I get a mail, Google telling me that I need to put in my tax information before the next available payment. The next available payment would be sometime in this month. So guys, I don't know what will happen next. I just have to wait and see. But anyway, whatever they want to do, they do. Because I'm not going to let this stop me from coming on my channel and do what I have to do. I will start doing back my uploads and whatever until I cannot make blood out of stone. Can I? Can I? I just have to wait until I receive those information. So I don't know what will happen next. So let's wait and see. This video was just to give you those information. I don't know if it will be of help to anyone in the future. Just saying. But I think I've come to the end of my video now. So if you like this video, guys, leave me a comment, give me that like, share me out, and subscribe to my channel with that post notification bell on. And I thank you all for watching, and nothing changes. I love you all. So you all have a nice day until I see you in my next video.